Here's how to share a playlist on YouTube. Now open up the YouTube app if you're on an iPhone or Android, or go to youtube.com if you're on a computer. Now the first thing you need to do is navigate to that playlist, find out if it's private or public, and get the copied link to share it. So to do that, tap on You at the bottom right. And now from here, you should be able to see playlist. Now, if you're on a computer, you might need to tap at the very top right and go to your channel or YouTube Studio. Now I can hit view all next to playlist, and here is my playlist fun. Now the key here is that it says by Trevor Nace and the playlist is private. Keep in mind, you cannot share a link to a private playlist. It needs to be public. So if I tap on that little share icon next to the pencil, it says make your playlist shareable by switching it to public or unlisted if you want into that. Now let's hit public and hit share. Now all I need to do is hit copy the link. And now if I open up a web browser on here, I can just hit paste and go, and it'll go directly to that specific playlist.